Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the home screen. Sign into the account you'll change. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. This is faster than navigating apps. Once the guide appears, move to the top left and select your profile icon to open profile options. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if multiple users are signed in. This initial step takes you straight to the menu where privacy and online safety controls are grouped, so you don't waste time searching. From your profile, go to Manage Profile, then open Settings to get into Account Controls. Once in Settings, select Privacy and Online Safety. This area holds all the options for who can see and interact with you. Use the Xbox Privacy tab for communication and content sharing rules, and the Online Safety tab for multiplayer and viewing permissions. Take time here to read each setting. Changes explain the effect. If you have a child account, controls will differ, so make sure you're editing the right account type. Now modify the specific permissions: who can communicate, see your activity, or join multiplayer, and use view details and customize for per feature control. After adjusting, select Save Changes and watch for a confirmation message. This ensures settings applied. Once done, test by signing out and back in, or have a friend verify visibility. If changes don't take effect, restart the console and check your network connection. Sometimes NAT or account sync delays prevent immediate updates. If issues persist, sign into account. Microsoft. Com to confirm settings server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.